Hello everyone, you are welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'll show you how to make the super crispy, very delicious and healthy evening snacks. You can have this at any point of the day. I'm going to be making plantain fries. If this is what you want to learn, please stick to this video to the very end and also like this video so others can see it. I'll be using unripe plantain for this fries, guys. First of all, go ahead and cut our plantain. We want to peel our plantain. I've already washed this plantain, and guys, you peel it like this. Another way to peel your plantain is to rub oil on your palms so that it will not be sticky to your palm, guys. To get a perfect fries shape, you're going to do it as the way I'm doing. Cut the plantain into two and divide it into two. Then each part you divide it into two again, as I'm doing now. By so doing, you'll be able to have a perfect fries shape. So guys, I'm done dividing it. I'll go ahead and slice it into thin strips. You can see what we have here. Perfect. So we'll go ahead and slice till we are done slicing all of them, guys. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. Kindly like this video, subscribe to my channel, share the videos, let others see it, guys. Also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. I'm done slicing my unripe plantain. I'll go ahead and give it one more proper rinse. So I'm done rinsing my plantain fries ready. Okay guys, to make it crispy outside and soft inside, you will not just fry the plantain directly, going to boil it first. So that's what I'm doing here, guys. Add water and salt, enough that is perfect for the plantain, and go ahead and add in your sliced unripe plantain to the water. Mix it up. The essence of mixing it up gently is so that the salt can go in properly. So my plantain is done. I'm done cooking it. It's perfect. Don't make it over soft so that it will come out perfectly well, not scattered. So I'll go ahead and fry this. The essence of adding onions to my oil is just to infuse flavor. It's actually optional. So after adding my fries, my plantain, my unripe plantain, I fry it. When you are frying, don't stir it anyhow so that it will not scatter. So you can see what we have there is perfectly fried and it's okay. So I'll be pairing this guys with pepper sauce. So to make our pepper sauce, we'll go ahead, heat up our vegetable oil. You can use olive oil, you can also use groundnut, you can also use coconut oil, guys. So I'll go ahead, add onions and garlic, add in a little salt so that the onions can release its juice into the oil to infuse more flavor. So after frying my onions till it's a little bit golden brown and the onions has released its aroma into the oil, I'll go ahead and fry my pepper. This pepper is combination of atarudo, Scotch bonnet pepper, cayenne pepper, and habanero pepper. That's tatache, shombo, and atarudo. Okay, so I'm going to fry this till the pepper is properly fried. I will list the ingredients in the description box, guys. You can check it out. It's important to fry your peppers to make this pepper sauce with medium to low heat so that it will not burn. Like I'm using the smallest burner in my cooker. Okay, so I go ahead and add in my bouillon cube to infuse more taste, and that's curry powder. You can also use mixed spice or turmeric powder, anyone that is available to you. So give this a proper mix. It's very important to fry your peppers very well. If you don't fry it very well, it gives one sour taste that is not really pleasant, guys. So that's why it's important to use medium heat, not medium to low heat, but medium heat, and have the patience to fry your peppers well so it comes out yummy and delicious. You can see my pepper is almost done, and one of the ways to know that your pepper is almost done is when you see that oil is floating on top of the pepper, like what you have there. And guys, it's done, and we have here unripe plantain fries paired with pepper sauce. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Kindly try this recipe and leave a comment in the comment section. I would like to hear from you. Thank you for watching today's video, and to my amazing returning subscribers, I see you all. Thank you for always stopping by. Thank you guys, all my new subscribers, if you are new to my channel, please join the family. It's absolutely free. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.